employment कार्डाचे launch करपाची. A card which will be identity for every person, whether he is a government servant, whether he is employed or whether he is unemployed, which will have a unique identity. It will be linked to the Aadhaar. It will be linked to the NCS portal, the portal which will launch, the central portal from employment exchange, which will launch somewhere in October. आणि हाज्या खातीर जो मनीस ते कार्ड आसतले ते कार्डान ताजे सगळो डेटाय फिलअप जाल्लो आसतलो. जो जॉब एस्पिरंट आसता, जो अनएम्प्लॉयड आसता, जो जॉब फेराक वता, बाकी कडेन वता, each kiosca कडेन वता and then he starts sending he goes with a bunch of his own biodata, so he can give it along with the interviews. That will stop. He will be allowed to move only with a card reader, which will be there at the place at every company's thing on a job fair. Where the card his whole data will be read. Tisra, very important is, there was always the thing that unemployed youth make a huge line, a huge queue in the labor and employment offices to ensure that they register themselves. And manual registration जाल्ल्या खातीर खुबश्या भुरग्यांचो टायम थंय वतालो. आतां वचपाची गरज ना. आतां आमी 28 फेब्रुवारी 2019 पर्यंत टायम लायन दवरिल्ली आसा, जातूंतल्यान सगळ्या गोंयकार लोकांनी, भुरग्यांनी आपआपली एप्लिकेशन, आपलो रेज्युमी, आपलो बायोडेटा can be filled online through the Goa online portal.